This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Blackberry Bourbon Smash. Ooh. Okay, so we get some blackberries in there. Okay, get some mint leaves in there. Get some honey in there, and you know what comes next? Lemon juice. Lemon juice comes next. And you know what comes after that? The smash! That's what I'm talking about. We muddle away. Oh, when it comes to... Sound like a horse race, okay? All right, put some ice in there. Come behind with some bourbon. So for guys, those of you who are not big whiskey fans, this is a nice little starter, you know, because it's fruity, it's sweet, got a lot of stuff going on. It's a nice little introduction to whiskey. Pour that mix in, all right, and then we come behind with a little garnish once we finish pouring. It's a long pour. It's a sexy pour. Remember to drink responsibly, okay? A little bit of ginger beer. Beautiful. Okay, now let's garnish this up, all right? Mint leaves, let's drop some blackberries on top there too. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, yeah, looks good. Okay, and there you have it, the Blackberry Bourbon Smash, homeboy. All right, for more recipes like this, come to tipsybartender.com. We got you covered, and always drink responsibly. Delicious little drink. Stay tipsy, my friends. Stay tipsy.